And right now, I just cleaning up the floor where these guys are gonna install the interior. Finally getting my interior done. So it's as you guys saw, I had it for 2 years and the interior was all jacked up. So I'll show you guys a little progress as it goes. So as you guys see, the car's all dusty. It's been sitting out here for like 3 weeks, just sitting. Then here's the interior. This guy Nash did. Just wanted a simple look. Went all black. Kind of like a stock pattern. It's not really stock because the stock has like triangles. I think there's more of a pattern like a Fleetwood instead of a DeVille. But it's just those that don't know will look stock, and I want a little custom look. Not crazy. Backrest. The back seat. Gonna be the carpet. Single piece.
Check out my interior. I was having a field day, I guess.
So I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna leave the guys here. Still working on the interior, adding the carpet nice and tight. They're gonna stick here, and we're gonna go pick up my cousin Gabriel's frame. It's just been powder coated, and then we'll continue with these guys tomorrow. We're out here in Turlock with Raul.
Yep.
From Members Only.
Yep.
We're gonna go pick up my cousin's frame out in Modesto. You know where's that?
7th Street, power coating custom.
All right. Well, let's head out before it rains, because it looks like it's gonna rain. But fuck it. Let's go.
Yep. Pick up a frame.
There's the cousin's frame right there. little late to pick it up, but we got it. Now we're heading to Gabe's house. Go drop it off. ¿Listo? Vámonos. So there's his 65. He says New Year's he'll bust out, and if he wants some, he's gonna break you off some. Right, Gabe?
He was. What's up, bro? Yep, I think that's good. Hey, I got some of the jewelry over there.
Oh, let's see.
And more things coming, yeah. Oh, good sticker.
And there we go.
Sí, mira, medio mojadilla.
Como el dueño.
Qué rico.
Or like como drip.
So if you watch one of the older videos, you saw when the homies from Seattle dropped this frame off. It's now reinforced and powder coated. And then we'll see how long it takes to get this shell of a car finished. They don't want to talk loud on camera. Hopefully throughout the years we'll show the progress in this. And my Cadillac.
The days.
And the rest of the cars from the club. Alright, see you guys. So let me show you guys what's of the progress that was made in the interior. The front of the carpet is already put on, glued down. The back half still has to get done. The driver quarter panel is in. I still gotta get these little, gotta get that switch and the knob for the quarter window right there. But everything else is in. The back panels are in, and the back seat is in. It's a little dirty. So this back panel is also in. So I'm waiting on the dash. Actually, when he does the dash, we're not gonna install it because next is going to my boy Frank's, who's gonna do an EFI kit on my car, and we're gonna swap the original gauges for Dakota Digital. And then I'm still waiting on him to bring this door panel, and then hopefully next week, hopefully my boy Omar can come through and bring me the steering wheel and add these pieces. And then from there, it should go to Frank for the E5 kit. So, you know, hopefully everything goes smooth. So far, I'm happy. And, you know, I can't wait to bring it out. I know it's not much. You guys might see it, and it's not much. But this is, I've had multiple cars in my life. But I've never had a build, as you would say, you know. And eventually, I'll have a paint job on this too, and I'll add the day-ins and put a beat, some juice. Redo the top. I ordered my top from OPGI, but they're on back order, so I don't know when it's going to show up. But I'm eventually going to redo the top too. So yeah, that's the progress so far. I'll update you guys when we got a little bit more progress. All right.